Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry, page number 178, example 16. It's similar question already I taught you from exercise 7.3. If A minus 5 7, B minus 4 5, minus 4 minus 5, C minus 1 minus 6, D 4 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So draw a quadrilateral ABCD. All the 4 points serially we must write. Join this diagonal. Because of this diagonal, we are getting two triangles. Area of this triangle we will calculate, area of this triangle we will plus it, we will get the answer. So here introduction part, here A, B, C, D are the vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD, AC is joined. Now for triangle ABC, select A point, B point, C point, therefore area of triangle ABC, half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. First point x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Put all the values, x1 is minus 5, half into minus 5, y2 minus 5, y3 minus 6, so minus minus plus 6, x2 is minus 4, y3 minus 6, minus 7, x3 is minus 1, y1 7, and here minus minus plus 5. This calculation is coming 1, minus 5 ones are minus 5, this will be 52, this is minus 12, after subtraction getting 35, then addition subtraction getting 35, so 35 by 2 is 17.5 square units. For triangle ACD, select A point, C point, D point, calculate area of triangle ACD with the help of same formula. Don't make any mistake in this calculation. So it is coming 109 by 2, which is 54.5 square units. Now both the areas will be added to get area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So answer is coming 72 square units. Now exercise 7.3, question number 5. They told one property, a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. This I have to verify with the help of this triangle by taking these 3 points. A point is given 4 minus 6, B point 3 minus 2, C point 5 2. AD is the median. I have to prove both the triangles are having equal area. Since AD is the median, then D must be the midpoint, definitely. So first I have to calculate coordinates of D. Before that you select your points properly. AD is the median, that is D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore coordinates of D, that is midpoint of BC, which is x1 plus x2 by 2, first plus first by 2, second plus second by 2. It is coming out 4, 0. Now by taking A point, B point and D point, we have to calculate area of triangle ABD. Formula same. Put the values properly. On the top you can mark x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Put everything properly. After calculation we are getting minus 3. But area of the triangle cannot be negative. So area of triangle you can write 3 square units. You can omit negative sign. Now for triangle ACD, A point, C point, D point should be selected. Area of triangle ACD, half into formula. Then put all the values, calculate. Answer is coming 3 square units. So both the triangles are having same area. Therefore a median of the triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Now question number 6. Show that the points P, Q, R are collinear. So first take these points, calculate area of the triangle PQR. If you are getting 0, then these 3 points are collinear. So formula half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. All the values replace it properly. Then calculation half into minus 3 by 2 into minus 6. After cancellation this is coming out plus 9. This is 6, this is minus 15. As a whole it is coming 0. Half into 0 makes 0. Since area of triangle PQ are 0 square units, then definitely the points are collinear. Whenever area of triangle 0, the points will be collinear. Hence proved. With this I am concluding today. Bye.